Baby potato curry. Take small bowl. Add curd. Now add red chili powder. Add jeera powder. Mix everything. Keep this aside. On the flame, take a kadai, add oil. Now add baby potatoes, boiled baby potatoes. Fry until light, it changes its color to light golden color. So you can see the potato has changed its color. At this stage, we will remove the potato first. And onion paste. Now you can see the onions change its color. At this stage, you will add some ginger garlic paste. At this stage, you will add tomato gravy. Add tomato gravy. Now keep the lid, cook in low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add our curd mixture. Add green chilies, 2 bay leaves, and mix well. Keep the lid, cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, add our fried boiled potato. If you want, you can add some little water also. Now mix everything. Keep the lid, cook in low flame for 10 minutes. This is really perfect dish for jeera rice, chapatis, lunch box option, everything.